The good news with that is actually, and people ask me this a lot after they've been arrested, and they call me up and they say, hey, can I drive? And the answer is almost always yes, because what happens is when you get arrested for a DUI, if you have a California license, the officers usually take it. They're not supposed to take an out-of-state license, but either way, they're supposed to give you a pink sheet. And this is a notice of suspension revocation, but it's a notice that says in 30 days, you're not going to be able to drive. It also says that as long as you, and we recommend you get an attorney and have the attorney do this, request an administrative hearing with the DMV to fight the suspension and try and avoid it or at least delay it, then you get to keep driving. And we get what's called a stay of suspension. So that allows you to keep driving, which is huge. That's what you want to do, is you want to keep driving while this is going on. Why have your rights taken away when they don't have to be? I've talked to people who have gone many months not having talked to a lawyer and thinking that they were suspended right away and stopped driving right after their arrest. You don't have to do that. And again, as long as we request a hearing for you within 10 days, we get a stay of suspension and you get to keep driving until we've had the hearing. And very often that won't be for many, many. This is something that you want to be really careful about doing properly these days. The Department of Motor Vehicles has changed a lot of their procedures, and they're not doing everything locally like they used to. So what we're finding is that they are messing up some of the requests for hearings, especially when clients make them. And so follow-up needs to happen to make sure they got the request, because you're requested to a local driver safety office, and then it gets assigned to another office somewhere else in the state, which is just ridiculous. But this is California, this is DMV, so welcome to what we deal with every day. And in this transfer, then what happens is, say you got a DUI in Marin County. I will contact the San Francisco Driver Safety Office, which covers DUIs in Marin, San Francisco, and San Mateo counties that we practice in DUI defense, and request the hearing. And then what happens is they will send it to another county, they'll send it to Sacramento. Sacramento will contact us to set the actual hearing date, and they will actually say that the hearing officer is somewhere else, like someone in another county. It could be someone in, say, Oakland, in Alameda County, or Santa Clara County. And typically they're keeping them in Northern California, but these cases are getting sent all over the place, and it's ridiculous, and it's messing with everybody. And this is just one more reason why it's really important to get an experienced DUI lawyer who does nothing but DUI defense, or almost nothing but DUI defense. And we deal with these people on a daily basis to protect our clients' rights and privileges.